groundbreaking, amazing news for you. I'm back making content. So we are doing vlogs again. Against my better judgment and my will, we're doing vlogs because that's all you guys ask for and that's what you want to see. And I understand. I think vlogs are cool. So we're back making vlogs. Today is the first one we've made in how long, Sai?
3 months.
3 months. So I took a little retirement. I had to retire because I've done this shit for 4 years. I had to take a break. But we're back because there's too many people making content, being silly and goofy, doing stupid shit, and we need to take over the game again. So we're gonna go play paddle right now, and then hopefully my secret ingredients come in after paddle, and I can show you secret project that I'm working on. Okay, so here's the rules. It's actually not complicated. It's the same as pickleball, as far as like you got to serve cross court and stuff, but you can't hit the wall off of you hitting it. So like if I smack the ball to you, I can't hit the wall first, but I can hit the ground and then hit the wall, and then you can play it off the wall. What's up, man? Mark Zuckerberg. You always have to, when you serve.
I want to say something. I would fire every single one.
He's stupid. Okay, so when you serve, you can hit the wall, but it has to hit the ground first, but it has to hit the glass. So if you serve and it hits the chain fence,
It's the point.
yeah. Bro, I pulled in and I saw your car. I was like, I know he's here.
Nice to meet you.
Congrats on that whip. It's sick, bro.
How's everything good?
Amazing, bro.
How you doing?
You guys filming
Amazing.
some content and shit?
Yep. What's up, bro? Luke, nice to meet you.
Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, Sai's vlogging. Mr. Jake D'Amelio.
Yeah. How's
Yeah.
everything good?
It's good, bro.
Oh, the whip? I know, it's like stupid fast. It's like scary fast.
They're scary, bro.
I gotta be careful with that. I have the GT3 RS too, and then I have the Turbo
I like the
X.
collar. That's my favorite collar to have like
The
of a
problem
scheme.
is it spins out so fucking fast because it's a V8 turbo, so like it's a quarter-mile car. It's not
Yeah, the
off
765?
line, like anything's getting me, but once
Yeah.
I get it going, it shows over.
It's sick, bro.
That's
It looks
We'll
beautiful.
link up soon.
Yeah. Good to see you, bro.
Yeah. Look.
This guy right here, MVP of today, best player award.
Yeah. What's it called? Make-A-Wish MVP.
This is Kishan. He make it a wish kid from Bangladesh. Hello. Gavin's never beat me at a single thing. Oh, you know what this is?
The tiebreaker.
This is the tiebreaker.
Yes.
How long ago was that? Like 3 months?
2 months.
2 months? 2, 3, 4 months ago, we did a golf match, and somehow I magically got lucky and tied him. Like actually tied him. I'm horrible at golf.
Not bad.
And so this is the tiebreaker. I told you we were going to go fishing or something to break the tie. $1,000.
Hey, folks at home, look at that scorecard. No erase marks, no scratches, no hesitation. I shit myself.
This is my 3rd time playing. So this is the tiebreaker. Game 2-1. That's kind of unfair.
2 seconds later.
You were technically out and I played it.
You gonna redo?
I mean, it threw me off enough that it messed me up. I just didn't want to say anything.
Okay, so is that game?
So, everybody, I am not going to show you the front of these bags. These are my ingredients. But I am making an ecom brand. So, I've wanted to do this forever, but I've been focused, and I believe having focus is a good thing in business. However, I'm at a point now where I'm good enough with what I have already to keep doing it, and we'll be fine. Like, our businesses will be fine. But at the same time, I have an opportunity cost if I am not building any sellable assets. And I do have my software companies, they're doing well, but I want to go for like a really big exit. I don't want to use my electrolytes. I want to go for a really big exit. And what is this? This is for the holiday special live stream. Merry Christmas. So I'm starting an ecom brand. My ingredients for this product are pretty simple, to be honest. It'll have to get manufactured. I'll have to have a legit supplier and everything. But I think that I can make it here before I go pay to get it made. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I ordered all this off Amazon. I'm going to literally mix formulas, and I'm going to put them in these, and I'm going to label these, and I'm going to sample everything and find the right mixture of ingredients to other ingredients to make it taste great and to work effectively. First concoction ever, no sweeteners, and just water. So I found one company that sells this product already, and I think that I can improve upon it in both marketing and everything, to be honest. But the product seemed to be decent. This is an exact copy of their product. I literally just copied it with raw ingredients. So if this isn't good, I have 2 things I'm going to add that I think will make this like 100 times better. 100 times better. Okay, let's see how this tastes.
Not bad.
Yo, we may be onto something. This isn't just water without sweetener and without
Turn
my
it down,
special
turn it down.
ingredients. Tell me how you think it
I
tastes.
had to write a BSL because he said he has an IPO client.
It was like cocoa. Very good.
Pretty good. Yeah. That's without milk, without sweetener, and without special ingredient. So now we're gonna try with special ingredient.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
mom's gonna be like, "What were you doing?"
Yeah, she's gonna trip.
But she's coming over here tomorrow to make cookies and stuff.
Dude, you're gonna mess that up. I won't. It's just gonna go everywhere. Why?
Oh yeah, that's the hack. It made it taste sweeter.
One extra ingredient added.
Colostrum.
Taste test.
Yeah, it's like cow.
Cheers.
It's got a nice hue.
Oh, that's crazy to say.
Calcum, that might not be good.
Calcum?
How is it? Not bad.
It's pretty good, isn't it? You ready? TKO on Nathan, body shot, left side.
You calling it right now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
You're turning. I'm not turning. Okay, boys, get real. 30 seconds. Be smart. Competitive rounds today. Let's go. Body work. Hey. 5, 4.
How was that?
Easy, buddy. Nathan, did those body shots not hurt? Or did you hide it? I told you, bro. I had other muscles. No, they hurt, but you didn't get the perfect spot. Like yeah. You're covering it up a lot better.
Okay, people, so we just got done boxing. I have a question. I've contemplated getting rid of this car. It's been an awesome car.
I don't know. Do you like sports cars?
I mean, yeah, but no one will tell you guys this. Having a sports car in Miami sucks. It sucks.
Why?
You can't drive. There's traffic.
That's true.
You can never go fast because if you go fast on like 95, someone will literally just merge into your lane and kill you.
Yeah.
Like when I had the Corvette, I almost died like 5 times. So I like this car a lot.
Would you get a Urus?
No, Uruses are fucking gay. Comment below if I should get a different car. It's currently 7 a.m. and I'll be honest with you, I'm never up at 7 a.m. But I have an ecom product that I am building that is really good. It's so good, in fact, that I woke up at 7 a.m. naturally because I slept so well, which never happens. I'm usually up at like 9 to 10. So it's a beautiful day. The water is flat, sunshine's coming in, the sun comes up. It's so beautiful, this apartment. I'll get out of the way so you guys can see that. What a blessing, man. What a blessing to be able to live somewhere like this. So it's gonna be a good day. I have a live stream tonight at 7 for the holiday special. Going to work on ecom brand a little bit. Going to post on social media a lot because we have this holiday special. And Closer Cartel results have been absolutely nuts the last couple of days. Did an interview with a 17-year-old who's making $10,000 a month, which is crazy. And then I did an interview with a guy that's now on my team, dropped out of school, 0 to 10K in like 6 months. I just moved into Miami here in the same building, actually. Super, super cool. Proud of that guy. So things are amazing, guys. I haven't posted much. I'm not in this for the clout or the attention, but our results and the companies are doing really, really well. And that's a testament to what we built, you know, so. Guys, I just wanted to hop on here and say this is the first vlog we've done in a little bit, like an actual dedicated vlog. And I know you guys ask for these a lot. And for the longest time, I was like, no, vlogs are stupid. It's a waste of time. You should be watching like a sit down informative video. And now I think I've changed my mind a little bit because there's no point listening to this informative educational stuff if you don't have the inspiration and you're not seeing the actual product. Like if you can't see the thing that you want to go get, why do you want to go get it? You know, it doesn't make any sense. So I want to do my best for you guys to document like real shit and be very, very realistic for you guys, and kind of like a big brother. Like if you want to call it that, whatever, but like kind of like a big brother that can show you guys like, this is not true. This is true. This is how this goes. It's like just life experience, because like I'm 24 now. Dude, if I had that when I was your guys' age, man, that would have been very helpful. Very helpful. I had to learn a lot of stuff the hard way, like with girls, just business, relationships, like how to not get scammed out of money. I'm owed like almost $500,000 right now from this old Cuban guy in Miami. Me and my friend, like crazy shit that if I would have known, it would have helped, you know, it would have been nice to know, but didn't have anybody to tell me that. Also, guys, I'll be entirely honest with you. I've kind of had a, I don't know what you want to call it, like a falling out, I guess, with info. And I'll be honest, I have not sold Closer Cartel as hard as I should be selling it this year. And that's entirely my own fault. And I'm kind of doing everybody a disservice because, guys, I've been in this game for business since like 2019, info since 2021. We just did a launch for a client. The vlog is still being worked on because it's like so much footage. But we just did a launch for a client where we collected like $2 million in a week. All my best friends are like the biggest info people in the world. You know, like I'm very entrenched in this space, and I kind of just got sick of it because like, guys, there is a lot of unprofessionalism. There's a lot of stupidity. There's a lot of just like childishness. But on the flip side, I've been kind of a pessimist about it because like I just do these interviews. This kid's 17 years old in high school making 10 grand a month because of my program. This other guy, Sandro, now one of my best friends, is along with Gavin. I'm sure you guys know Gavin and Kishan. Without that company and without that program, one, I wouldn't have those guys as friends. Two, they wouldn't live here in the same building. Three, they wouldn't be able to take care of their families and move to Miami like they have. Like that's a bit selfish of me because why I don't want to sell on my personal brand. I don't want to feel transactional. So if you guys have seen this year, I haven't pushed things as hard. That's entirely my own doing. I just felt, I don't know. I don't like the current state of how everybody does info. And I didn't want to be just another one of these guys. It's like, oh, buy my course. Like, yeah, do we have recorded videos in a program? Yeah. Is that called a course? Yeah. But is it in the same capacity as all these other people? Not at all. Like at this point, when someone comes into Closer Cartel, they're getting like 6 live calls a week. We have a full coaching staff. There's like recorded videos from years of us doing this, of lessons to watch on your own time. We now have software. We're releasing a software AI DM setting training bot. We're releasing more Closify stuff to get jobs. Like we have a full ecosystem. You know, it's not like a course. But even still, I kind of just was detached. I was like, I don't want to be that guy. And I think I've changed that perception again recently of I'm kind of doing people a disservice because this has helped more people than any educational program that I've ever seen in my life, you know? And that's what it should be. Like education should be accessible. Like it's $5,000, which sounds like a lot, but like you could save $5,000 at McDonald's. Like you really could. It's $5,000 because we got to pay for our coach's time. But like compare that to college. Like Sandro could have gone to school. He dropped out, could have gone to college. He would still be in school for the next 3 years. He's 20 years old, the next 2 years. And then he's going to make what coming out? $50,000, $60,000. And now he's making $100,000 a year plus, and he's free. and he can do whatever he wants, and he has this massive trajectory and is around good people, you know, that is a good value proposition. I think I've been doing a disservice by not pushing that, you know. So you're going to get sold to again. I'm going to be talking about it again because it's important. It's very important. And genuinely, like, you can say what you want about courses and stuff. Like, I understand, but this program it's insane. Like, the results that we've gotten for people since 2021 is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. So that's my rant on info. But with that in the same hand, I want to build an ecom brand. So I really value my skills. Like, I want to be a skilled marketer. I want to be a skilled operator. I don't want to just be like a guru. So I've been down the rabbit hole this year of marketing. I'm spending 100-something thousand a month on ads right now for ourselves. Not insanely profitable yet, to be transparent. It's very difficult, especially running cold info with a low ticket funnel to ads is hard. But I want to build an ecom brand, and I already have the idea, and I already literally formulated the product in my house, and it is amazing. Like, it actually is really good. It actually works. It tastes phenomenal, and it's something that helps a problem that I've dealt with my whole life. And I'll get into more of that when it's time, because I don't want to spoil it, but you guys will love this product. Like, this is a good one. Like, this is something I can sell with my brand. I can sell whatever. It can get put in shelves. Like, it's a legit runner. If I execute the right way, it could be an 8-figure brand. So I'll hit you guys later.